There is one planet you can draw from memory. A circle with a line through it. You knew it was Saturn before I said the name. We think of Saturn as the calm one, the quiet, golden planet, sitting still in the dark. That is the biggest lie in the night sky. Almost everything you find beautiful about Saturn is the wreckage of something that was destroyed. Here is the question to hold until the end. What is beauty like this actually made of?
For thousands of years, Saturn was just the slowest light in the sky. It moved so slowly that ancient people linked it with old age and patience. Then in 1610, Galileo pointed a telescope at it. He saw two small shapes, one on each side. His telescope was too weak to show him what they were. For 45 years, nobody could work it out. In 1655, a better telescope gave the answer. It was a single flat ring going all the way around the planet, touching it nowhere. Nothing else in the solar system looks like that. And the picture stuck. Saturn the jewel, a calm gold ball wearing a halo. It went onto book covers, posters, and into everyone's head. It is a lovely picture. It is also completely wrong.
Start with the rings, because that is the part people get most wrong. From far away, they look solid, smooth, like a surface you could stand on. They are not solid. They are billions of separate pieces of ice and rock, each one circling the planet on its own, from grains the size of sugar to chunks the size of buildings. Nothing holds them together. And they are huge. The rings stretch nearly 280,000 kilometers across, almost the whole distance from the Earth to the Moon. But they are only about 10 meters thick, roughly the height of a house. As wide as a world, as thin as a ceiling. But here is the harder part. That ice used to be something else. Long ago, one of Saturn's moons drifted too close. When a moon gets that close, the planet pulls harder on the near side than the far side, hard enough to tear the whole moon apart. The rings you recognize are the broken pieces of that dead moon. And the planet wearing those pieces is not calm either. Saturn spins fast. One day there lasts about 10.5 hours. It spins so fast that it cannot stay round. It bulges in the middle and squashes top and bottom. The perfect ball is not a ball. At its north pole, there is something stranger. Wind and weather normally make curves and circles. They do not make straight edges. But sitting over Saturn's north pole is a giant six-sided shape, a hexagon, big enough to fit several Earths inside it. It has been there every time we have looked. We still cannot fully explain why. Now its two strangest moons. The first one looks like home. Titan has a thick atmosphere with clouds, rain, rivers and lakes, but none of it is water. The rain is liquid methane, the gas from a kitchen stove turned liquid by the cold. The temperature is about -179 degrees Celsius. If it were you standing there, not a probe, the air would be thick enough to swim through and cold enough to kill you before you finished one breath. A world that looks like Earth, built entirely from things that would end you. We learned all of this from one spacecraft, Cassini. It studied Saturn for 13 years.
By 2017, it was almost out of fuel. If it drifted, it might one day crash into Enceladus and carry Earth's germs into that ocean. So we made it dive straight into Saturn instead, sending back data the whole way down. The planet tore it apart in minutes. It is part of Saturn now. And the rings it died studying are not going to last. Saturn is slowly pulling its own rings down into itself, like a quiet rain of ice. In about 100 million years, they will be gone. Saturn will just be a plain, banded planet with nothing around it. The rings were not here for the dinosaurs. They will not be here for whoever comes after us. We just happen to be alive at the right moment to see them.
You might be wondering whether the rings are at least solid. They are not. Fly into them and you would be inside a slow storm of ice and rock with nothing to land on. Here is what the big discovery really means. If even the simplest life is found in that ocean under Enceladus, then life started twice in one solar system, and the universe is almost certainly full of it. And here is what nobody knows yet. We still cannot say which moon Saturn destroyed to make its rings. The wreck is right in front of us. The name of the dead one is gone. So, what is beauty like this made of? Destruction and time we are only borrowing. The rings are a broken moon. The calm gold is haze over a planet too fast to hold its shape. And all of it is slowly draining back into the dark. Before this ends, one question, and answer it below. Somewhere in the future is the last person who will ever see Saturn with its rings. A real person, a real year. Tell me the year you would guess. None of us will be right. That is the point. Saturn is the most beautiful thing in our sky. It is also a wreck. Those were never two different facts. This is infinitum space.